beautiful people. I'm really getting so used to just being on the right course of eating right. For the last week, I've decided to kick all sugar, like sweets. I've decided to kick soda years ago. I don't drink soda. I feel like I'm still eating, so I'm not doing a total fast. The only fast I'm doing is intermitting. Intermitting fasting is when you might go 15 hours without eating, and then you use the remaining 9 hours to eat what you want. So I've been mixing intermittent fasting, kicking out all the junk food, and deciding to go mainly like to raw vegetables, like mainly raw. Like I love my kale, I love my cucumbers, my celery. I love all that stuff. And to be honest with you, there are so many chemicals in your fast food. There are so many chemicals in junk food, and that's why you have a hard time putting it down. That's just like crack or heroin. It's a certain chemical in those drugs that goes to the brain, and I believe it releases, I forget the hormone that it releases, but it's a happy hormone, and it's like the body gets addicted to it. And that's the same thing in food. They know this. They put so many chemicals in food that is killing people that you don't know why you can't stop eating it. That's why it's hard. I'm not going to lie to you, because I almost fell short yesterday. My son had some ice cream, and he had cookies and cream ice cream. And I was about to make him go make me a bowl. I almost took his bowl, but I took everything inside of me to say, nope, I'm on a journey to healthier eating, cleaner eating, changing my body. I have to take control back and take the power back of what I put in my body. Like, you are responsible for what you put in your body. These hands are picking up whatever you're eating, putting it in your mouth, and you're deciding to swallow it. And that's why you got these extra pounds. That's why you got diabetes. That's why you got high blood pressure. That's why you got thyroid disease. That's why you having a heart attack. That's why you having, like, all this stuff. Man-made food, man, is killing off people. I truly believe it's population control, if you ask me. But we're not gonna go too deep into that, because when you start talking like that, they take your videos down. I'm not saying that I'm completely transformed into eating right, because I still can have weak moments and I still could give in. But so far, I'm like a week into a clean diet. I'm doing my best to maintain it. Like today, when I go back in there, because I'm actually just chilling. My sister just chilling in her neighborhood. I'm chilling. So when I go back in there, I'll probably make me another kale salad. I gotta see what I got. I realize the only hard part about this is, obviously, because you're trying to eat nothing but vegetables, you have to stay going to the store to get fresh stuff. As you know, I'm a truck driver. I would have to really plan out my meals and like really plan them out, either juice them or plan them out to where I have enough fruits and vegetables to last me through the week. So that's the hard part, because vegetables don't have a long shelf life. You get them, you have to make sure you eat them in a timely fashion or they go bad on you. But that it is what it is. Anything you want, you got to put the work in. I'm about to put the work in to maintain a healthy body, because I've always been healthy. I've never had no health ailments. I've never had no diabetes. I've never had none of that stuff. Only thing I got is this stupid ass tooth that fell out. And honestly, that wasn't a health problem. That was an injury. As far as like my internal parts, like I've always been healthy. If I do come down with something, I ain't gonna know how to take it, because I've pretty much been healthy all my life. That's the weirdest thing. So, all right, guys, as y'all know, a sister will be checking in, because y'all know I'm a social media junkie, baby. Social media junkie, baby. All right, y'all. Later. All right, so this is going to be my dinner. I would have added more stuff, but my beautiful son made it for me. Thank you, Victor. But turn the light on so I can show them. But this is kale, fresh rinsed kale with chopped up garlic. I could have added mushrooms and all kind of stuff, but he didn't feel like it. So this is sugar-free, 0 carbs, gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup, and this is vinaigrette. So instead of using like certain you know, salad dressings that is fattening within itself, you get the sugar-free, you know, stuff. Only has 60 calories. So yes, I'm doing this, honey. I'm sticking to my regimen. Yeah, baby.